But when we came together and started what we're actually implementing in our business till this day, but it scaled, we earned over 6 figures in those 12 months, right? This is only one form of payment. We actually made $250,000 that year of implementing the strategy, which is absolutely like, we were like so like blessed.
Hey, so it's literally about 10-15 minutes before the webinar that it's about to start. We're super excited. We've been actually planning this out for maybe, we'll let you know in the webinar, but it's enough time for you guys to actually see the overall workings, the overall magnitude of how much this strategy has helped us in our business, how it has helped dozens and dozens and dozens of our awesome clients. And not only that, but we're actually going to give you some really cool tips on how to actually magnify it for your own business in this webinar. So I know there's some scribbles on this wall. It's a whiteboard wall, really awesome. But we're going to be talking about some 5 key things that have been instrumental to our growth, to the development of our company, to the development of the strategy, hitting over 6 figures a year and now doing that every other 3 months. It's just ridiculous. How can you do it? We'll show you how.
These are the 5 steps that we're going to actually share with you, and we're going to share our screen with you so you can actually see firsthand. We're going to show you an example through Instagram on how to find that ideal client, how to capture their attention, how to convert them to a lead. All organic. There's no automations, no paid advertising, right? No Facebook ads. We have not used Facebook ads and gotten any clients from it. All of our clients have come from all around the world through the power of Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and these 5 steps that need to be done consistently.
Register for the next webinar, if there is going to be any. We're not sure yet, because it's only exclusive for the people that actually take action, immediate action, to grow their business. So if you're interested in that, make sure to lock in your spot, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you soon.